Hello everyone, welcome to ZDLH Tools Company. This is our folding table workshop.
And this is our cutting machine. We cut the plywood into different shapes, like a square table, rectangle table, round table, oval table, serpentine table, and so on. After the cutting, we'll drill the holes on the plywood board.
Now
So
it is drilling the
easy for us
holes.
to fix the wooden spot